welcome back to our channel. I'm Ella. Today we're going to be making slime.
What kind of slime are you making?
This one right here.
The pink soft serve?
Yeah, because you know why I picked the pink one?
Why?
It's my favorite color.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Bye.
All right, first step.
Glue.
The white glue. Pour it into this bowl.
I had to pull my sleeves up.
Yeah, you don't want to get on your sleeves. Don't get it on the table. Okay.
It takes long. Yep, we gotta go fast. Oh!
Oh. All right, we'll be right back for the next step. Guys, next is the water.
2 times.
So we're going to do that 1 time.
1.
All right, let mommy put a little bit more in there. Okay.
2 times.
And 2.
Now can I
Let's see what the next step is.
Okay.
All right, we got to pick the scent, which we're doing the pink one. So we'll do the pink and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Dump in the pink color in.
Got in, but
That's okay. Okay. Let me see the spoon.
Once it off. Oh, some glue going in. Okay.
We're going to put it right here so we can rinse it out in a minute. Okay, what's our next step? Stir the mixture of glue, water, colorant with the slime stick until fully blended. Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay.
Time to add the activator. Go ahead.
Put it a little closer.
Dump it in there.
Now mix it.
Now mix it slowly, but don't spill it.
I need a little closer.
Be super careful.
Cause if you mix right here, that one. Oh wait. Well, it's fusy already. It's like slime.
Keep the stick in the bowl.
What?
Keep your stick in the bowl. Mix it up.
Oh, I see. Like.
It's supposed to smell like strawberries.
Can I smell? Oh, it does. It smells like strawberries. Oh, it's already feeling. It's already. It looks like slime already. Like guys.
Nickelodeon Slime. Ice cream or frozen treat slime. Wow.
We have to get it.
We got to keep mixing it.
I have to get it in the bowl.
All right, we'll be right back.
I have to touch it more.
Are we mixing it still?
I need to get that
It's
off.
getting real jiggly, huh?
I just had to get it off.
It looks pretty neat.
Yeah, I want to see it when I... Yeah, I can. It off.
Does it look like pink ice cream?
Yeah. It made me hungry.
That's pretty neat.
I can do this to make it a little gooder. Try not to mix it. I have to hold it still like this, the whole bowl, like so I can mix it.
So it stays still, huh?
Oh wait, oh no. I have to get it out of the stick. You have to get it off the stick so you can have it all together.
Yeah, so you have all the slime in there. And we're gonna put it in the little bowl in a second.
Somehow I'm getting
as soon
it
as it's
all
all done.
in. Soon it'll be not sticky so we can get it off, right?
Yep. All right.
Yeah, I can show you from the bowl.
Let me see. Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay, bye. I'm trying to make a bubble.
That's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, do you think I can make a bubble? First you have to get it like this.
I'm not sure. You might be able to.
We keep trying to make a bubble. If you keep trying, you can mommy.
Yep.
Practice makes it better.
Practice makes it better.
Okay, since it's all glued out, ready guys? Oh, it popped because there was a hole in it because I squished it too long, right?
Did you?
Yeah.
You're silly.
Let's get it to stick a little. Get it out. Oh,
That's pretty pink slime.
It's my favorite color.
What's your favorite? Ooh, look at that. Almost.
Can you see me?
It's pretty. Yes, I can. Oh my goodness.
Watch it goes down.
All right, we'll be right back. Everybody, your bowl of ice cream. It looks pretty real. Let me see.
Yeah. So.
That's so cool. You can take it out. Go ahead.
Oh no.
Is it stuck?
I can juice it out. Guys, watch it. It's like a tongue falling down like it's hungry for ice cream.
Whoa, that's big.
I have to get. Oh, see, guys? It's sort of sticky.
It's sticky.
I have to roll my sleeves out. Okay, I got it all out. That's all I could get out. See, guys?
That's okay.
I can probably get this piece. Oh, I'm not getting it all. Got it.
Okay, we'll be back.
Okay. I made a raspberry donut.
It looks good.
I made a raspberry. It can be a raspberry donut. It's a raspberry donut.
Okay.
Because look, has a little hole.
Little hole in the middle.
Banana, donut, a big donut.
We should see if we could find donut slime. I can see you through there. Oh my goodness, it's so big.
Okay, guys. But for now, then.